Welcome to Average Joe's Gym's Home Projects, where we do projects and maintenance at home that even an average Joe can accomplish. Our Maytag dishwasher has been pretty reliable, but over time and hundreds of cycles, the plastic rollers on the bottom rack have started causing me problems. The plastic has degraded and just needs to be replaced. Let's do it. I ordered replacement parts from PartsSelect.com. To be honest with you, they were a bit pricey, but when you need them, you need them. As usual, links are in the description. So the nice thing about the bottom rack of a dishwasher is it's not really attached to anything that's attached in the dishwasher. You just take out the silverware caddy if yours has one, and then it should just lift right out onto the countertop. There goes the wheels. As you can see, that's the problem I've been having, and we're going to fix it today. So here's a closer look at the wheels and the situation where there's nothing to hold them on there. What I'm going to show you here is there's a little pin that holds them in, but over time and washings and soap, they just kind of wear down, and then the wheels just kind of come right off. Removing the wheel mounts isn't rocket science. You just kind of take a look here, you'll see that it's pinched on to the rack right there on the bottom. If you press that little piece of plastic right there, it just pops right off and you can slide them off. One down, now just one to go. Alright, there it is, nice and easy. Now time to get the new ones. Some people like to use scissors to open packages like this, but because I forgot to grab them before I hit record on my camera, I'm just going to use brute force. Alright, these are going to go on the exact same way the other ones came off. You just kind of set them up and then pinch them on until they pop. It may take a little bit of force, but shouldn't be too hard for the average person. Alright, now it's time to mutilate the second bag and free the second roller from its plastic prison. When you're trying to install this part, don't forget to turn the rack and hit your camera just to show true professionalism. I had a little bit of a struggle with this one. It didn't want to go on the first time and kind of shifted off axis. You'll see though, I got it with the second try and we were all good to go. So as far as the old pieces, you don't really need to keep them. They're not going to really do you any good anymore. So you're just going to want to throw them in the trash. Honey, ignore that Oreo package. I'm not exactly sure how it ended up empty. So here it is, the moment of truth. Let's get it in there and see if it works for us. Perfection. If you enjoyed this project, please check out our other projects on Average Joe's Gym's Home Projects. And please like and subscribe for future projects.